those girls?
Who are those girls?
Who are those girls?
Who are those girls?
They're the science girls. Oh my god. Hey Wendy, I just learned something new today.
What did you learn?
What I learned should be on our next show.
Okay, what about it?
Well, I learned about viscosity and buoyancy. So, I think it's pretty cool.
Okay, let's see it.
Well, I think we should explain viscosity kind of in a test or a video. No, an experiment. So, yeah.
Okay. Viscosity is about the measure of fluids and its resistance to flow. It describes the internal friction of a moving fluid. A fluid with large viscosity resists motion because its molecular makeup gives it a lot of internal friction. A fluid with low viscosity flows easily because it has very little friction when it's in motion. Gases also have viscosity, although it is little and harder to notice in its ordinary circumstances.
English, please.
In general terms, it is the resistance of liquid to flow, or its thickness.
Yes, well, let's first make a ramp and test viscosity. Well, what materials should we use?
Honey, oil, and detergent liquid.
Okay, so we set?
Yep.
Set. Okay, let's start. Liquid detergent, right, Wendy? Mm-hmm. And that took 3 seconds. 3 seconds.
And the last one, oil.
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 1, 2, 3. That took 4 seconds. 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Well, honey is still going down. Oh, honey. Has over a minute. Now we shake. 2 minutes. And we're done. Funny face.
Did you notice, Sonia?
Well, what I noticed is that the oil is not as slow as the honey, but not as fast as the liquid detergent, and the liquid detergent is like super fast, and the honey is like super slow.
But you know what's going on with viscosity, right? Well, honey is very viscous, and the other two are less viscous.
So viscosity is easy if you understand that when it slows down, it means it doesn't flow as easily. And when it's fast, like oil or liquid detergent, it flows.
Wow, Sonia, that's the smartest thing I've ever heard you say.
Oh, thank you! Hey! Alright, since we've covered viscosity, let's talk about buoyancy.
Yes, buoyancy. What did you learn about buoyancy?
I think it's better if we explain it as a experiment.
Amazing idea.
Okay, let's go. Should I stop?
Yes.
Okay. So this is gonna sink, obviously, and this is gonna flow. You wanna know why?
Why?
Because it is.
Sonia, you do know that it floats because it's less dense than water.
Oh yeah. So if you figure out the volume and mass, you get density, right?
Yep, kind of. You find density of an object, you have to know the amount of space an object occupies, or which is water displacement. That is volume. You also need to know the mass is the amount of matter in an object, which is mass. Finally, you get the density, and you divide the mass by the volume.
Oh my gosh, that's exactly what Buoyancy for Dummies said.
Oh, Sonia.
Well, I think that's it, right?
Yep, you ready?
Yeah, let's start filming. Okay. Turn. Hey girls, where are you going? Hey girls, what you doing? Who are those girls?
Who are those girls?
Who are those girls?
Who are those girls?
They're the